welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys a quick, easy recipe for a healthy smoothie. But first, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and follow me on Instagram at Vanessa. The only ingredients we are going to use today are 2 bananas, mixed berry, kale, spinach, and 1 cup of yogurt. I'm going to be using kids yogurt because I like the taste. This recipe is from my boyfriend. He makes this literally every day, and I decided to try it one day, and it is so good. Even though I usually tend to go for the more watery smoothies, this one is amazing and it's really healthy. Let's get started. Different from the smoothies I have shown you guys in the past, I won't be using milk this time, which is going to give it a much creamier taste, less watery. You can even eat it with a spoon if you want. I'm going to be using my juice maker to make my smoothie. I've shown you guys this one before. I use it for literally everything, sometimes even to mix my pancakes. Delicious smoothie is ready. Time to try the smoothie. So delicious. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye guys.